been getting a lot of requests asking how I was able to generate images like this, and I've tried to drop steps on how you can go about it, but so many times I get people asking, please, they don't understand, I should show them, I should do it for them and all. So in this video I'll just show you a step-by-step guide on how you can go about it. Alright, I'll just jump on my Google Chrome. You type Nano Banana. Let's just check Nano Banana. Click on Google AI Studio. This is Google AI Studio. Alright, it will show you sign up and get started. Alright, you come to click on this place where they say Nano Banana. Alright, Nano Banana, click on it. This part where they say generate image, alright, just paste the prompt. Okay, paste the prompt. I mean, we now upload our file. There are a lot of places you can get prompts from. You see this one. There are a lot of places you can get prompts from. You can ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for you, generate ideas for you. In subsequent videos I'll just show you how you can do all of those to get the results. Okay, on this plus icon, that is where I click to add my image. Then on this yellow icon, just click on it for it to generate, and we'll get the results. In less than 20 minutes you'll be able to generate the results. So this Nano Banana is one of those new AI model that is blowing up the internet right now, and this is our results. Okay, so you can just imagine the detailing, everything. All right, now you come here and save it. Okay, save it. All right, it's now on your folder. You can also come here and tweak the prompt. Let's say wombat trouser and camouflage. Let's say camouflage trousers, chunky Timberland boots. All right, chunky brown Timberland boots. Okay, we'll now generate it. Just allow it to do its magic, and let's see the result it has given us. Can you see that? You see? So you can tweak it to give you as many prompts as possible. The game here is just prompting. Okay, the more detailed your prompt is, the better your results. All right, there are prompts, load of it. You can go to ChatGPT to generate it. There are platforms where they drop prompts. You can also do it on your own. Okay, so you can try it out and share your results. Okay, I'll see you in my next video some other time.